Hey YouTube. Well, hi Country Cowpunk here. Alright, I thought I'd do a little before and after. Alright, today it is the 8th April. We're under a blizzard warning. Right now clouds are moving in. It's been like this just about all day. But I don't know if you notice, these are more like summertime clouds. And that means convective snowstorms. So basically there's a low pressure system down around New Mexico, between Albuquerque and the border north, and it actually sits there, and the rotation pushes the clouds up against the Front Range and squeezes all of the moisture out. And right where our house is, we're actually, you can't see it from here obviously, but due west of us is Pikes Peak. So we're kind of right in the shadow of Pikes Peak, which means we either like get nothing out of a storm or we get everything out of a storm. It's a beautiful day. It's about 50 degrees. The snow finally melted. We're usually the first to get it and the last to get rid of it. The only snow we have is right there. That's not much at all. So anyway, it's on the 8th. It's gorgeous. See, the trees are starting to bud. Well, it's spring, but spring up here means snow. Yeah, wind's coming in out of the north. It changed direction not too long ago. Anyway, just a little before and after. It's Highway 24. And that's Twin Creek down there. You see, it's dry. Absolutely beautiful today. We'll see what the difference looks like tomorrow.